Hey! I'm just, checking on my friend here. And I hear something going on. I don't know if it's the baby or him, but something's going on in there. So, let's check it out. What are you doing in here? We need to make this quick because it's going to end up dying.
Oh, dang, that was loud. Woo! Okay, let's get these on there. Okay. How do I do this? Oh, God. Oh! Oh, dang. Who cares? Dang it.
We gotta make it like, hurry up.
He just rolled right into my dang office.
I think I'm gonna, hey,
my office,
I'm gonna need to pause it. Can I pause it?
He farted right in my office. Oh, it's